Hey everybody, hey. I am back again with another quick video. I am Jacqueline Price. Welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel where I show you different things and ways how you can earn money from home. I am a full-time entrepreneur, work from home full-time since 2018. I've been in this online journey for a number of years and recently just start having some success, and I'm so happy to share that with you because I know many of you come to my channel and you want to learn how to work from home full time, and so I have amazing programs that can help you do that. Today we're going to talk about, I'm going to review a platform that it's just absolutely amazing, and it's successful solution method. And so we're going to talk about that today, and what the tasks are that we get paid to perform. It's a task-based business, and so you get paid to do tasks, simple tasks on Facebook that you're already doing. So again, here is my Facebook page. You want to make sure that you have a nice Facebook page. You want to, what we teach in this platform is to position yourself as a leader. You don't do a lot of sharing on your page. You don't do a lot of, funny memes and all that kind of stuff. So you want to position yourself, as a leader on Facebook so that you can earn money from your Facebook profile. So that's what this particular platform teaches you, how to earn money from your Facebook platform. So let's go. Um, well, I guess I could show you some things on my page. I haven't really. So what you're going to do, you're going to learn how to get engagement. So here I put up a post. It's 178 reactions. I think 8 shares. This one is 235 reactions. 182 reactions. 44 reactions. That one didn't do very well. This one's 139. And then I had a Facebook Live. This one is 303. So that one did pretty good. So now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna talk about, let me see if I can find it. The platform. Here, successful solution method. So I just want to show you the website that you will get. You do not have to create your own website. It's going to show you some of the packages and what you get inside each package. This is a welcome video that you will most definitely make sure, move this right here, most definitely make sure that you watch this video. A lot of people get off track because they don't watch this video. This is a successful solution method quick start video. So if you want to get started quickly, watch this video. And I'm going to post the link down below. My video, it's www.profitwithjackie. And so if you want to take a look at it and see how everything works, go ahead and go to my site, www.profitwithjackie.com. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you so much. Like and comment on this video. Give me your reaction to what you think. How am I doing, guys? So here, when you get started, you're going to watch that video. And then here, right here, you're going to start right here because you're going to have a success coach meeting. You'll get your referral link set up, your member only traffic, and this is your member fast start. So you're going to start here. Okay. And these are the packages. We have the bronze package where you will get foolproof traffic system. You'll get access to the webinars and the replays. You'll get access to training and the replays. See, guys, and the replays, excuse me. So that's what happens a lot of times when people get in programs online and they don't have training. There's nothing in black and white that shows them exactly what to do from point A to point B to point C. There's nothing like that. So with this, It's ABC 1, 2, 3. You will always know exactly what to do in order to get paid in this particular program. And the training is phenomenal. You know, you're going to get started and you're going to go through the replays here, the webinar replays, the training replays. And not only are you going to go through them, but you're going to take notes and you're going to implement what you are supposed to be doing and learning. And that's how you move to the next level. And so we have the silver package where you'll be a social influencer series. You'll get a custom digital postcard. And then you have the gold package, which is where you learn video marketing. OMG. That, you know, when we do videos, they go so far, it's up, it's out, people see it. Like you could get a view a year later and make a sale. You know, that's just how powerful video marketing. So this platform is absolutely amazing. And then the platinum package, you get high converting email vault, you get custom Facebook image ads, and a 30-minute private coaching session. The diamond package, you get attraction marketing formula, a done for you custom funnel, a done for you organic traffic setup. This platform is absolutely amazing. And, you know, so far I've been able to earn um, some money with this program. Let's see if I can find where to get to that. I'm going to log into my back office, my affiliate account, and show you the money. A lot of people say, where the money at? Where the money at? Okay, let's see if we can find the money, guys. And then I'm going to hop off this video. I appreciate all of you guys for hopping on. Okay, so here it is, guys. I've been able to earn with this platform $4,300 by performing simple tasks on Facebook, liking, commenting, uh, uh, um, you know, putting up posts, great posts, that attraction marketing post, going to the trainings, going into the trainings, going into the webinar trainings, and attending the live trainings and attending the webinar trainings. Those are the tasks, guys. Though they're so simple. It's just it's stuff that we do every day already anyway on Facebook. So why not use your Facebook profile to bring extra money into your house during this time of the year? Christmas is coming and the holidays and all that, you know what I'm saying? So you want to have extra money. So you know we're going to be on Facebook, so you might as well use it to make money from home, right? Right. So go to my website, www.profitwithjackie.com. Okay? And there's also a link. I'll also put a link down below where you can register for our webinar. Our webinars are on Wednesday at 7 Eastern Standard Time. So you can always come out to the webinar and see exactly what type of family community that we actually have with this amazing platform. Okay? So I'm going to hop off now, and I appreciate every one of you for viewing my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, okay? And I will see you on the next video. Thank you guys so much.